Physical appearance is not a factor when God is choosing whom He wants to use.
Tall, handsome, light-skinned, rich, lawyer, wakili, daktari.
Many times we get taken in by people and then they hurt us, and we believed them so much so we trusted them because they look a certain way, they speak a certain way, and we think they are Christians. We don't bother to ask God for direction. This is the same thing that almost happened with the prophet Samuel when he had been sent to anoint a king, and he looked at the sons of Jesse and they were tall and handsome, and he nearly anointed a wrong king more than once, until God said the words of 1 Samuel, and I'll just read them, 16 verse 7. He said, "Don't look at his appearance or physical stature, because I have rejected him. For the Lord does not see as man sees. Man looks at the outward appearance, but God looks at the heart." What matters to God is what is inside your heart. So let's not get so caught up with cosmetics that we lose sight of what it is that matters to God. What should matter to you and me then is what matters to God: His Spirit, His presence. Psalms chapter 51 verse 11, David said, do not cast me away from your presence, do not take your Holy Spirit from me. That's what's important. Yeah, so I'm not saying that because you serve God now you should look disheveled and disgruntled. No. Even if you are the one that God chooses to use, look at this. This is how David, 1 Samuel 16:12. So he sent for him, and he had him brought in. He was glowing with health, had a fine appearance, and handsome features. But that wasn't what was important. Remember, God looks at the heart.